लोग अक्सर मुझे पूछते हैं। People often ask me. People often ask me. ये सुनने में अच्छा लगता है। It sounds good. It sounds good. मैं शायद ही कभी वहाँ जाता हूँ। I seldom go there. I seldom go there. Or you can say I rarely go there. I rarely go there. आप क्या क्या खाते हो? What all do you eat? What all do you eat? कौन कौन जाते हैं? Who all go? Who all go? अभी तक कोई नहीं आया है। Nobody has come yet. Nobody has come yet. मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? मुझे मत सताओ। Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? गुस्सा मत हो। Don't be angry. Don't be angry. मुझसे बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. अपना चेहरा अच्छे से साफ कर लो। Wash your face properly. Wash your face properly. चुपचाप बैठे रहो, हिलो मत। Sit still, don't move. Sit still, don't move. किताब को अच्छे से पकड़ो। Hold the book properly. Hold the book properly. मैं कहाँ जा सकता हूँ? Where can I go? Where can I go? मैं कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता हूँ? Where all can I go? Where all can I go? वो दिल्ली नहीं जा पाया। He couldn't go to Delhi. He couldn't go to Delhi. आप किसके साथ बैठ सकते हो? With whom can you sit? With whom can you sit? तुम सुबह से यहाँ क्यों बैठे हुए हो? Why have you been sitting here since morning? Why have you been sitting here since morning? उसके जाने के बाद हमने खाना खाया। We had the food after he left. We had the food after he left. 2 घंटे के बाद वे चले गए। They left after 2 hours. They left after 2 hours. मुझसे बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मैं कहता हूँ रुको। I say stop. I say stop. हमेशा समझदारी से व्यवहार करो। Always act wisely. Always act wisely. आज छुट्टी का दिन है। It's holiday today. It's holiday today. यह बहुत दूर है। It's quite far. It's quite far. मैं मार्केट जा रहा हूँ। साथ चलोगे? I am going to market. Will you come along? I am going to market. Will you come along? नहीं, अभी मैं व्यस्त हूँ. No, I am busy at the moment. No, I am busy at the moment. क्या मैं कल आपसे मिल सकता हूँ? Could I meet you tomorrow? Could I meet you tomorrow? वह अपने पिताजी की मदद कर रहा है. He is helping his father. He is helping his father. आप कब कब खेलने जाते हो? How often do you go to play? How often do you go to play? राहुल कहाँ कहाँ जाता है? Where all does Rahul go? Where all does Rahul go? आप किस किस के साथ खेलते हो? Who all do you play with? Who all do you play with? वो किसे प्यार करता है? Whom does he love? Whom does he love? मैं उसे घर भेज देता हूँ. I send him home. I send him home. आप कब कब खेलने आते हो? How often do you come to play? How often do you come to play? वो शायद ही कभी घूमता है. He seldom walks. He seldom walks. इस मामले में मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am with you in this matter. I am with you in this matter. तुम ईमानदारी के साथ जीते हो. You live with honesty. You live with honesty. वो बस स्टॉप पर खड़ा था. He was standing at the bus stop. He was standing at the bus stop. वो उसके जन्मदिन पर वहाँ जाएगा. He will go there at his birthday. He will go there at his birthday.